Ho ho ho, and welcome to day 22 here on Admin Cyber. It's TryHackMe's Christmas calendar. Today we're gonna go do something like server-side request forgery, and the thing we will need to do is to read the text first of all to understand it, but it's very easy to do. So what you're gonna do is to take note of this URL right there. You got hold of some sort of URL where you know it includes something from the outside. But what if you can replace that from a file from inside? Look at the structure of HTTP of file. It is just a URL. It is an internal URL or an external URL. That's kind of a way you can think about it. So go ahead and take this string right here now and say, like, you've got this from the tutorial. Don't think too much about it right now. Just execute it. And then you can see, oh yeah, I got all this data right here. Zoom in a bit and then see, oh yeah, it does look very great. That's the index file. But got the config file right there. So to scroll, well, this line is probably easy to see. Just replace index by config, but you can see it's in the same folder, so it's even better for us. Just write config, right? Boom. Now you have the password and the username. Go ahead and log in to the command and control server. So make ready. Copy paste the password. There we go. Boom. And now you're in. Zoom out a bit. Just a bit more. I'm gonna get the first flag. I get the second answer is the version down here. This bubble thing is just irritating. But if you copy paste all the text here, like copy paste it and put it into the browser, you see version 1.1, which is also one of the answers you need to give your reply to on the questionnaire down below. The first flag is right there. So all that is great. You have your username, the password, and one of the answers is nay. And then you're going to scroll down, and what was it again? After stopping the data exfiltration, I think this is the one, just the first one, remove it, and then you're going to get the second flag. So the data exfiltration is gone, and if you want to do it, you can read the things. I don't know how much you can get, but this is just a sample program, you know. So really what this is all about is for you, whenever you have some code that can include your stuff from inside or outside, that's usually called server-side request forgery. So you make the server request something from the inside of itself to you outside. So that's why it's called server-side request forgery. And there are more than one that's called something with request forgery, but you know, stick to this for now. SSRF or SSRF, however you're gonna pronounce it. So that's it really for today. Quick and easy room. See you tomorrow. Have a really nice day, and ho ho ho.